forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 200,000 subs. Welcome to Amavenzi TV. Kipetwe Premiership. Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Kaizer Chiefs 1. I'm joined by Simthembile.
Sure, Steve Mnandi.
I'm Nandi Footman.
I'm Nandi Steve.
Umfundisani today?
Steve.
What history lesson do I have?
Both teams were founded same year, 1970. Yeah, both teams now 6 years exist.
Okay.
Yeah, but enye kine fan base enkulu, enye ne fan base encane.
57.
Yeah, and also I was disappointed in the market game. I didn't feel it the way by marketing. I think now it teams rely on people como content creators na kuma fans ukuthi they must market game. Kanti akona ma marketing director abo Jessica. I think with Sundowns they don't know even their marketing director. Ikona nguPhiri. I just search ukuthi who is the marketing director for Sundowns because I don't see a Puma out to market ama games. I was disappointed on Thursday. Stadium management besenza press conference besithi only 32 tickets as sold kule fixture that has been existing over 50 years. Understand? So I feel like sometimes owners of club they invest imali kwi areas as wrong. I'm not saying ukuthi mawangathenga ama player uma 60 million 50 million but I don't understand ukuthi Sundowns own a billionaire but they can't own a stadium sayo but they are still renting a stadium kumasipala. Even now bazodlala MTN8 kuzoba kwinkulumo ukuthi they can't play MTN8 kwi Loftus. They must go to look but it is owned by a billionaire. Even in Kaizer Chiefs, the Chiefs is playing home games against the Arrows with capacity at 90,000. How gonna make your opponent feel good you are at home? You can feel it parades Mike Scott in suffocate because it's not a big capacity and stadium that is a selection. So I feel like our teams they must invest marketing clubs they must invest to build the stadium. The Sundowns supposed to be in our stores that each and every province was in enyuku so masiphume ku politics Steve yabo angizokhuluma ngale 100 rand yamatikiti yasikhawatha mawungena uhlatywa intsiki flag ye Vodacom
angisadli nase stadium
uduru Steve we played 100 rand xa uzawuswipe kuthiwa ku-add 10 rand but masingene gemini Steve it was not an easy game that I would say it was not an easy game. It was not a game enjoy kuyibukela but I was expecting because it was the third game for the season. Our teams are trying to get combinations. Also Sundowns naye Kabi at his best. Even us I think if you can profile each and every position, Sundowns is better than us. I understand ukuthi ku social media kwa TikTok we are vocal. Siyakwazi ukuthi xa isando by transfer window we can be vocal. Sicabanga ukuthi we are in the same level as Sundowns and Pirates. We are still behind even na equality. We don't have enough quality. I understand the coach who was complaining ukuthi le fixture fike early. So I'm against ukuthi abe defensive today because it's nama injuries and I don't think we are ready to go pound to pound with the Sundowns. So today we play very well and I like my players that are working very hard. Unyambos, you must speak. Ox, it's a typical Kaizer Chiefs number 6. Chiefs used to have abo number 6 abanjia, abo Katsande, Ningomashe, Jabulani Mendu, Ace Mbuto, Ibuli. You need to bully when you are playing for Chiefs. And what I like about Ox, Akenzima fouls, he wins the ball. But as a fans, we need to understand Ox. There are some things that Ox. It's like he offends the party. They need to understand ukuthi there are some things abangazozithola kuMbothoma uya uzogaya ipressing akushaya even u-Ox there are some things that we must accept i-Ox he can't get but ucoach need to use Ox kahle so we played very well and I was impressed by Simon Steve Uphili yeah it seems like a typical Kaizer Chiefs winger yabo mina mangibukela player I always remember someone yeah ungikhumbuza boJabu Pule abo appear nale yeah ulanda abantu is not afraid yabo uthi vele uyithatha pha kum so I'm impressed with Uphili but masingamfakela ipressure umfana let's hope uzoyicarry Kaizer Chiefs we need that exciting player up front and also uzosusa ipressure kwabomduna abo Chabalala but I hope bazoyishare irresponsibility but I believe in Kaizer Chiefs in this season ukuthi we gonna perform but I don't think we are in a level Sundowns Sundowns is on another level Sundowns idlala iyakwazi udlala ne-Al Ahly ne-Wydad Casablanca i-ball position ithi 25% ithi Sundowns 75 but when you are a Kaizer Chiefs you are expecting to go pound to pound with the Sundowns uyadlalisa ikhonakala so all the best man for amakhosi this season siyapromise Steve
because of time Rodman ngicela siyiva
Steve ngasingakhuluma imini yonke